Hello and welcome everyone. Recently, I got a query from someone from my audience regarding who are running a garage door campaign on Google Ads, and let's get started on the query, and then let's see how we can assist it. So the issue is super high cost per conversion help. So I'm here to help. Running a Google garage door repair campaign at $50 a day. Cost per conversion has been around $60 to $260 with forms plus phone calls counted $200 per form only. My main goal is from since I can track it better, why is it so high? I have tried broad keywords, now I have switched to exact keywords and verified volume and competition with Google Keyword Planner. The copy seems good, like even if it was slightly subpar, it shouldn't create this drop off. CPC is roughly $8 and CTR is 4.71%. Conversion rate is also 4% and optimization score is 69.5%. Please let me know if you have any suggestions to improve these results. All insights is heavily appreciated. Okay, thank you. So if you're running garage door campaign and looking for insights, first of all, AI Max campaigns. I recently uploaded a video on AI Max campaign. So AI Max is a new campaign introduced by Google. I think that you can try this one, or you can try local service ads because you're running a garage, garage door campaign. So it's a local service ads could be a potential beneficial for you as well. So my opinion is either to look for AI Max campaign or local service ads. Apart from this, I think you may have already connected your Google business profile with your G ads account. So I think you may have already done it. So I think that you need to work around on your ad assets. So ad assets could potentially increase your sales, because I'm here looking for increasing your conversions. So in order to increase your conversions, I think that ad assets can play a crucial role. So these are the ad assets. They were previously known as extensions. So look around advertisement rating, site links over here, and then location extension, adding some deals promos over here. If I remove it over here, you may see what happens is, this is also preview, that your authenticity or your trust is going to be reduced. So look around over here. Now this is a generic ad, so that ad was more authentic. So I think that authenticity brings trust, which help you in increasing sales. So I think this plays a crucial role. So I recommend in adding ad assets, this increases authenticity, more trust, and eventually create sales. I think also you can create area specific campaigns, area specific. For instance, if you are handling 8 areas, so my opinion is to run 8 different campaigns for garage door repairing, so we can cater or target the people, and we can exactly know how people are reacting in a specific area. If you also create 8 different areas ads, you need to have 8 different ads for each area, and ads for each area, and add the area in your ad copy. So this also increases the trust. So this also increases the customer's value, like customers, oh, they are talking to me, and highly relevant, the ad becomes highly relevant. So I think that this increases the sales or the authenticity. Apart from this, there can be look for your landing page, add reviews, case studies, stories, or stories. This can help link your website with social media pages. Also have good engagement on social media. This also increases the authenticity, and people are much more likely to buy. But try to understand the intent of the user. The garage door is someone which having an issue with the garage door, and someone needs it an urgent, maybe needs an urgent. So try to understand the urgency and focus on the urgency on your website. So my opinion is to focus on urgency on your website. So this can help you. Also, I think that the search terms can play a crucial role over here. So you talked about the broad match keywords over here, and you talked about exact keywords, but did you discuss regarding the search terms? For instance, go into your account, search over here, search terms, go into your insights and report and search term directly, and you may realize over here that these are the search terms. Look around for the keywords which have high number of clicks but lesser number of conversions, and look around for their impression share, where they are positioning, to see if they are the cause of concern, you need to add negative keywords. So get the data for negative key search terms to see negative keywords. You may have to add negative keywords, the keywords which are not performing, or the queries which are not performing well. They can help you. Also, my question is that you discussed regarding that you switch to exact keywords. So my question is, when you shifted from broad match keywords to exact match, did it increase sales or not? This is the question, and my strategy is going to be based on this. Plus, what is your bidding strategy? I do not know these things. So these are the things, which you must be included in your question, so I can exactly tell you better information regarding this. So all of these things plays a crucial role, and I think that I was able to define you on how you can sort your conversions for your garage or repair campaign for Google Ads. And if anyone needs a one-time audit optimization or a monthly management for the Google Ads campaign, or if you are running a garage door service and need a professional help, or if anyone are running any other services and needs a professional help with Google Ads, we are a Google partner company and we are love to help you. And I run a team of professionals along with me. So in case if you want to hire me and my team, you can follow the link in the description or in the first comment of this video, and I look forward to working with you. So I hope this answers your question. Thank you for watching, and I look forward. Take care and bye bye.